Hey guys, welcome back to Ritz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the new Nova launcher as well as Season 9. The first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already, is join the Nova Discord server. So real quick, I'm going to pull up Discord on my main monitor, and if you're already on Discord, you could just go to add a server, and you can go to join a server, and then type Nova FN and hit join server, and it'll automatically take you into the server. If you don't want to do that, I'll also leave the join link in the description of this video. Now, of course, with any server, you have to complete the steps of reading the rules, very simple rules. So once you've read that, agree, submit, bang, you're in the server. Once you're in the server, you're going to want to go to the downloads channel, and you're going to want to click on the bottom link right here. Then hit continue to download and just download this. Once that's done, you can open that up. You can hit next here. If you want to change this installation path, you can here, which I will be doing. Then you can hit next, and then next, and wait for it to install. Once that's done, you can hit close, and then the Nova launcher should appear on your desktop and you can open it. Then you'll be prompted with this. So all you have to do here is hit login with Discord, and it'll pull up this authorization page, and for some reason it's connected to my main account. Alright, there we go. Now we're on Elbaton. So then you can hit authorize here, and it should take you back to the launcher. Once you're logged in, it's going to ask you to enter your birthday. Mine is January 20th, 2005, so I'll do that real quick. Then hit continue. I'll just make my display name Elbaton. You should be able to make it pretty much anything, unless the name is taken, then you'll have to pick a different name, I believe. Actually, let me try that. I think maybe not. Maybe you can make any display name, but I know this is taken because this is my display name. I don't know if we've changed how that works. Either way, I'm just going to make mine Elbaton for now. Then there's, of course, the TOS. If you want to read through this, I have read through it myself, so hit continue, and then it'll take you to the launcher. Once you're here, you'll see download 9.41 chapter 1. Hit that, hit add a version, and hit install. When you do this, you're going to want to make sure to make a folder for your build. I'm going to call it Nova tutorial because that's what I'm doing. You should just call yours 9.41, but I'll select this folder and then the installation will begin. Now, depending on your download speed, this process could take a decent amount of time, so I'm personally going to skip it for the sake of making the tutorial. But yeah, at that point, it should automatically be in your library. Just in case it isn't though, you would go to add a version and then import, and then you would find your build. Mine is called 9.41. I called it Nova tutorial when I was downloading. This is my actual 9.41 folder, so I'd hit select and then import, and then it would be right here. Then you would just hit select here, and if you want anything like edit on release or instant reset, sprint by default, disable pre-edit, all of those options are right here. I've already configured mine, so I'm just gonna hit run game. Make sure you hit yes when Presidio shows up, because if not, your game will crash or whatever. I don't know what it does, but it's not gonna go well. That's our anti-cheat. And there we go, just like that. My game is insanely loud, so give me a minute while I crank that down to 0. But yeah, that is how you set up the Nova launcher. Then once you're in game, you can configure all of your settings. They will save for the version that you're on. Right now we're only hosting season 9, so your settings will always stay the same, but if we end up hosting more versions in the future, you'd have to configure them for each season that we host, but it's only one time. From here, you would want to set up your matchmaking region, which I play on NA East, so I'd want to make sure to do that. If you play on EU, you would go there. Obviously, we have all of these servers. But yeah, I play on NA East. You'd want to change all your sensitivity, whatever. And that is pretty much it. We currently have all of the cosmetics seasons 1 through 9. Besides collabs, we don't have any collab skins. I'm not sure if the random option works. I'm actually going to try it. Oh, it does. Wow, that didn't work before. That's interesting. Right now we're hosting solos, duos, squads, late game solos, and playground. I'm just going to queue a playground to show you guys some gameplay real quick, because I don't really want to play any actual matches. So I'm just going to queue up a playground. Oh my goodness, my sense is way too high. Alright, there we go. I fixed my sense. Oh, my binds are completely incorrect. But, yeah, I don't know what any of the binds are. Okay, there we go. We're in a playground. I'll just wait for the battle bus, and then I'll show you some gameplay, and then that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I mean, that's all I really gotta show y'all. Okay, so since this is season 9, I'm gonna go Neo Tilted. I mean, all I'm really gonna do here is like free build. That's basically it. But yeah, this is Playground, so there's not gonna be any other players. I believe the way Playground queues work now is you are queued with your own party, and that's it. Nobody else can join this. So that's pretty cool, because before the way it worked is you get like random people in your games, which was kind of weird. Now we have it so they're private matches, which I think is a lot better. But yeah, that is pretty much it. From here you can see like everything's working in order. If you have any issues, you can always join the support server, which I'll also leave linked on this video, or you could go back to the Discord and check out like some fixes that are here, like maybe required if you have issues, so you can try downloading things like this. There's a ton of support services out there for you guys, so if you do have any issues, let me know. You can also comment on this video. I'll try and help you if I can. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.